Welcome to another episode and video on my Arduino Mega2560. Right here. It is connected to, well, physically still connected to Arduino Uno, not in use anymore for this project. It's also connected to a breadboard with a lot of electronics and fischertechnik mechatronics. Last time I tried to figure out why some things did not work anymore, and I started completely new in an attempt to get motors working the way they should, with a switch to silence momentarily another motor, and to get everything working. And there I culprit, because I had to realign or to restore this potmeter, but also it raised the question, why does this potmeter do nothing, or why this do nothing, and why are some motors not working, like this one. To my surprise, I could not control this one, still can't. These ones do nothing, probably because of me, some code, programming, wiring. I had to do a rewiring right here, and a wiring right here. But that was last time, and it still doesn't work. So let's see how things can be done now. And one thing to start with: potmeter. What effect does this have? None. While I expect that this one, as an effect, has that this one goes faster or slower. This one, immediate effect. So this one controls that one. Well, it is more logical that this one controls that one and this one controls that one. So, time to figure out how it is really and how I can make this work. Let's go to the software and see whatever can be done. So, the situation is as I left it last time. Voltages by potmeter, and not really consistent pulse modulation to the motors. Purple one is this, the dark blue one is this one, and this motor isn't even running. So let's have a look at the serial monitor. Oh wait, let me correct the baud rate. Yes. As you may notice from the sound, as I change something in the monitor, dress changes. Then there is something of a reset. Anyway, one potmeter value is around 180, the other one is around 780. So which is which? What is correct? I don't know. Looking at schematics, once again, can't do without. This is the last thing that I did last time. In addition of a resistor between port 7, which is output, and transistor. So basically I should put this like this, and then ouch, that is not what I want. Let's put it this way, go here, that way, a bit more time. Okay, but it doesn't take away that things are not going the way they should. This one for this one, and this pot meter please for this one, and this pot meter please for this one. Which is which? Well, A0 to actually 4. Which one is connected to A0? Actually, this one is connected to A0. And now I change something in the wiring and everything goes off. Oh wait, look at this. Yes, that is a problem. I have to fix that immediately. This wire has to be straightened a bit and then put back into voltage, which is right here, and it is a stubborn wire. Alright, let's keep it this way. But conclusion is that this belongs to which comes from port 4, and port 4 is right here going to indeed this one. So this one controls this one. Alright, confirmed. Or is it? Not really. Okay, confusing. Confusing because I don't have port 4 as an output. How strange. And then port 7 goes here. How can both port 4 and port 7 go there? No, port 7 goes there. All the way up there. Port 4 goes here. Okay, I have to rethink everything, I think. That's a good one. I am apparently addressing something that I don't address. How wonderful is that? I am addressing port 7, which is what? That is a very good question. Going here, going there. Really? I have a problem here. Things are not wired the way I think they are, but it's a mess anyway. Time to rethink again. And after checking the wiring, although messy, I have decided to check for this motor, because everything is wired as should, yet it doesn't do anything. So I'm going to use the power controller from Fischertechnik and wire it like this, and then grab this. Oh, no question, it does run. Alright, need no more to say, it runs. So then rewiring the motor. With another question. So the motor is alright. This wiring from here, and this LED shows that the transistor circuit is working great. Then this one is responsible for the output, and yeah, let's see. Oh wait, mistake. I have both output motor 1. Let me put output motor 2 to it, or vice versa. Alright, so time to check it out. On the other hand, no matter which output you send, it should be correct. So analog output pin 6 now gets output motor 2, which is the highest number, but where does it come from? A0. This is A0. Alright. Motor 1 is 1, and I want A0 to be motor 6 then. So I should reverse this. Alright. Another attempt. See whatever happens now. Okay, this is interesting. I totally turned them around. And I hear this motor whine, not this motor. So this motor doesn't do a thing anymore, and this motor is whining. Question is, why? Answer maybe that this value isn't good. So let me take a screwdriver. Let me put this one aside for a moment. Look at the yellow line. So this is either plus or minus. And now I am turning the other potmeter. Ha! Look at that. Alright. So that is one thing. And now hopefully for the other. Now I can do it step by step, as you can see. Okay, max value. Well, almost max. But I have a problem connecting this one. Well, okay, it is now connected. And look at these signals. That is alright. But this motor is whining. That means that it gets signal but despite that does not run. And that's a mystery. Why is that happening? So the big problem is still how can I get the motor running? This motor. Alright, this is off, as you can see. By the way, I'm curious why the other motor. Okay, the other motor starts running again. And this is indeed the way to speed up the other motor. This motor, which doesn't do a thing. By now I have tested with the power controller that it does work. So what's the difference? What is the difference? I have potmeter 1, potmeter 2. A mapping. And potmeter 2 is only 360. So let me decrease. Alright, now it's about okay. So now both potmeters are showing the same, more or less, signal. I still hear this motor whine. Is it too strong? That could be. So now with this, let me remove the chain and remove the gearbox. And I have to be really careful now. No, it still doesn't run. Okay. So that was not a solution. And by the way, now I see that it's not it's not perfectly straight line, but it's the same line that is followed by the other motor, which does work. So this should be doing it. And once again, the power controller. Right. Let's activate it and see. No doubt that it works. So something in the signal prevents it from working. Another point is, though, coming to realize it, I maybe should measure not here but on the other side. And that gives a slightly different signal, but still there's no problem. There should be no reason why one works and the other doesn't. Alright, checking here. Slightly different signal. This is, so to say, a clean signal. This is not a clean signal. Why is it not a clean signal? So that may be the reason why this motor does not work. But why? Very different. So what comes from here? That is a clean signal. From here is no longer a clean signal. So with the transistor, with the resistor in between, because that is what I'm measuring right now, straight from the port, then a resistor, then you have the transistor, and then the input to the motor. Well, this is not a nice signal. Measuring the other one again is a much better signal. So why is the other signal not good? That's a nice question. Alright, then I am... Wait, this is a nice signal, so no need to measure on the port. The signal gets distorted here. What else can I do? It's the same transistor is even the same value of resistor. And yet there's definitely some difference. The values are about the same. This is about the same. So, where is the difference? In what and how? That is the big question right now. I can't answer it. I'm not going to solve the problem right now or in this episode, but what I'm going to do is pay attention to Octave again, because Octave as mathematical software has since recently an interface to the Arduino. This once again has no result, but here in the manual that I recently found, they say how to do it. So let's follow this one. Copy, paste, no Arduinos found on serial scan. Wow, ouch. So how about this one? I'm afraid the answer is just like this one. There isn't. Oh. And then scan for Arduinos, like I did before. I don't expect anything to happen. No. So the Arduino is available, but why doesn't it work? That is the big question. And it is this one. There's no doubt about that one. If I go here, it is ACM0, so there's no doubt about it. This is only connecting to an Arduino, not even doing something special, but this is just, yeah. So still no luck. So for now, is this distorted signal indeed the cause that this motor doesn't run yet? And for Octave, why don't I have word recognition in some kind of whatever. Anyway, that is it for now. Like I said, that's it for now. A little result in controlling this motor by this potmeter. This potmeter is now addressing this one without really result, only addressable by power controller. But, well, yeah, what can I say? And Octave with a result that I still don't like. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up, like it, and leave a comment or suggestion. You can also follow me on Twitter, please retweet, like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Please like and leave a comment. You can show your appreciation and support by making a small donation, either by PayPal or Wired. See my website. Or you can become a patron and have your name mentioned as a supporter. And then your name will be mentioned on my website, or depending on your pledge, on my website as well as this video or videos. Anyway, all information is at the start of this video and under this video in the description box. Also my website with lots of more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.